So here we are on yet another unboxing video, and this time it's two record players which eventually will get sorted out.
I've got the knife.
I've got the knife. I'm just thinking which way originally it was, you see.
Yeah, well, it's right in there.
Trying to guess what the top and the bottom is. I don't know.
I don't know if that's the top one.
I think it could be. Now there's a reason for this one. There isn't a reason for the next one. Oh no, they filled it with stuff.
Oh yeah, but that stuff that goes everywhere.
Yeah.
They even glue the bugger there.
This might be the bottom.
It might be, yeah.
I think this is the bottom.
Oh dear. Is it? No.
Right, well we're not going to just heave it out.
Unless we do tip it back over the other way, fold the flaps, tip
Well,
it
I've got
over.
to get out what I can, put it in another box or something.
Yeah.
And then we'll have to get the vacuum
Have we
cleaner.
got another box?
Could donate this to somebody's pet mice, couldn't we?
Yeah, gerbils, whatever, mice would love it, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Oh, God, it's the dust coming out of it, isn't it? Yeah, it can be a messy job extracting that.
But I'm very pleased they mailed it, because a lot of people won't mail big items like a record player. But I suppose if it's broken, which I only buy things that are, it doesn't matter so much that it gets more broken within reason.
Yeah. Well, nothing could be worse than the two record players I extracted from a garden and brought here that was falling apart.
There you go. Right, I will extract.
And I see it appears to be another Ferguson.
No,
Oh, it's not.
no, it's not.
No.
But
Quite
you're
a
not
big one.
entirely wrong, because it's in the same group. So
Yeah.
at the time, Thorn were doing HMV, Marconi, Ultra, and Ferguson.
Oh, so this is probably a Marconi.
Or, right, if you can extract the box.
Wait a minute, where's the thing on? Oh, that's in a...
Yes, they've done that nicely.
Right. Pop that over there.
So Simon was telling a story there about finding two in a garden, and this is one of them, exactly the same model.
Ah, yeah, the Ultra.
The Ultra. So we're going to be able to take some, we've got the service manual, but there's a fault on his amplifier. These are solid state.
Well, we did get the amp working on that one, didn't
That was
we?
Ferguson we got going, and I ordered transistors to do. But it's easier if we take the voltage chart readings
Yeah.
from another machine.
Packaging over it.
He's done very good packaging on that. Works really, really good.
And the turntable looks in good nick.
So you have those. I'll get this. So it's an Ultra. It's been screwed down for transit. You know, you couldn't ask for more, could you, on that? That's really, really nice.
Put a bit of cardboard around the plug
Yeah.
so it doesn't get damaged.
So folks, if you saw the region tone, which we will be getting on with because I've had the parts for the amplifier, which I showed on the last unboxing, I've decided that I'll be sending the turntable into Andy of Vintage Audio fame, because he knows about those and I haven't had any training on those. Whereas I have on this, what's that, 6018. So these are solid state. I'm not sure I'll be plugging it in before doing the capacitors, because they've got those horrible black capacitors that, you know, are horrible and black. So there we go. There's a dent in the grill, and it wasn't cheap, it was 40 odd quid, but I can deal with that. Not an organ builder for nothing. So there we go. Rather nice. Lots of inputs, lots of outputs, and that's going to sound really nice. So we'll put that on one side. We'll open the next box. We need to get the vacuum cleaner on the job.
We do with all that shredded paper. And this is rather lightweight in comparison.
It is, because it's an inferior one. But everybody who says, "Oh no, no, they're lovely, they are," just like the CB radios, all the ones they love turn out to be not good. I never know why people love certain things.
Well,
So this
is go for this modern.
So this is well loved,
Stuff,
very well loved vintage make, but this is at the absolute bottom end. Oh, this is all right.
Well packaged as well.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's in another box in there. It's like
Gets
one of
even
those
better.
Russian dolls.
It
things
is like
again.
Russian. Yeah. Mr. Putin sends those out, doesn't he?
Yeah,
Probably go bang when you open them.
probably. Yeah.
So these are all, of course, forthcoming attractions here. That Ultra, we've got all the parts and stuff. We've got the service manuals. Who's Oliver Bonus? Who's that then? What do they do? Do they do ready meals for the co-op or something?
I'm not sure. It's got a web address on the side.
Oh, right. If you can take the box away.
Right. Well, for a start off, it looks as though it's missing something.
Ah, that's why I got it cheap, because it isn't.
Yeah.
So, it is
So hasn't it got
absolute
inside?
bottom of the range Dansette.
Oh, there goes the arm, which swings right round if you let it.
Yeah, that's nicely on its thingy. And he says that the knobs are in a packet inside. So, I believe him.
It's had the cartridge replaced at some time, so
Yeah,
that's
well,
probably
we'll-
because the old one went rogue.
So there we go. So, I don't know anything about these turntables. This looks like real bottom of the rung. What make of
I
these?
think it is a
Is it another, or is it
garage.
BSR or something else?
Might be BSR.
So yeah, Dansette's very popular. He's very much of the time, but I don't think that, you know, probably unless you go higher up in the range, I think there's better ones, and hence that Ultra, which is a bit newer anyway. So what's this? About 1962 or something? What would you say?
I was
I've not
probably
looked it up.
thinking more about between 59 and 61.
Yeah, well, I think
This
that.
arrangement for the on-off on
Yeah,
the
It's
turntable
cheap.
and the type of pickup arm. I mean, it's in quite good condition, really.
So there we go. And anyway, if the knobs were missing, we'll just get somebody to lend us some. We'll get some mate to do a 3D printed one.
We might find some in the collection in there in the boxes.
Well, not that we've got any record
Just
player
to put
bits.
on to check it out.
Right, so there we go. So that's the unboxing. So we've got two more things here which are going to end up getting done. So thank you for watching unboxing two record players. And there we go. Hopefully we'll do a radio repair next.